There's so many things in life we get to look forward to, so much to be excited for, and each of them has the potential to offer experiences that can inspire or change someone's life. And every so often, they turn into stories that are worth retelling. It's March 10, 2022, and the view outside still doesn't seem like it's close to springtime. Oh well. Just another snow day, I guess. But this day in particular offers something different. It's a day I've looked forward to for months now, actually. I've been working for a while, and don't get me wrong, being a nurse has been fulfilling, but it's time to briefly take a pause for at least 2 weeks and try to capture the moments that will be hard for me to put into words.
Parking recording will now start.
Hey,
Are you ready to go?
yeah, and let me tell you something. I think it's gonna be a busy day. With busy, I mean running errands. Sorry to break it to you guys, but this is just how the whole story starts. We're running low on fuel, apparently. I have like 1 mile left, and good thing there's a gas station close by. Damn it, that was stressful. Gentle self-reminder, self-advice, or however you want to call it. Never drive with an almost empty gas tank. I'd like to make a return for this one right here.
Sure.
There's nothing wrong with the lens though.
Gotcha.
It's just the resolution, really.
Alright, receipt got emailed to you. You'll see the credit back in about 24 to 48 hours.
Awesome. Where can I buy it?
Pay for that?
The
Check
counter?
out right up
Okay,
front.
all right. Thank you.
No
Appreciate
problem.
it.
Hello.
Do you need a bag for this today?
No, I'm right.
All right, the receipt went to your email. You're good to go. Enjoy your day.
Thanks, you too. We finally got the trip schedule. Okay, you can drop me off. I'll just get a haircut.
Over 10 and event detection recording occurred.
I'll see you later.
Bye.
We're finally done. And I think we're ready to head back, start packing up, take that long drive.
They call me crazy cause I'm facing all the giants. They try to scare me into thinking I can fight it. They tell me I should never even think of trying. But that's just me, I'm gonna live out in defiance.
I'll see you in 4 hours.
See ya.
We are holding the cards, dreamers brighter than stars. We're believing, never leaving. We are something new, better than we've seen. Just wait for all we'll do. There's no one.
We're finally here. What do you think?
I'm tired.
You're tired. Me too. We're finally here. Marriott, Fairfield, Connecticut. I'm also cold. Let's go back in.
When looking up, oh, we can take the world. Nothing can stop us now that we are infinite.
You got the keys? Oh, thanks. What time is it? What time did we leave again?
8.
8. So we left Pennsylvania around 8. Time check. It's now 1:20. Very much tired at this point, and we only have a few hours before we head back out. It's gonna be another exciting day for us on day 1 of our trip here at the East Coast. For now, we are gonna call it a night, and we will see you on the next vlog from here, Connecticut. Good night to everyone. Take care. Jeez, this is heavy.